Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole, Marie, and Gary. Today, you guys, I'm going to do a review on Old El Paso Street Taco Kit. It just calls for a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and some vegetable oil, but I'm going to be making them kind of fajita style. So I have peppers, onion, and also the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm using Just Bare, and she's about a pound, 18-ounce package. So I've already cut these up. I'm going to go ahead and cube this up as well, and then we'll get into the cooking part of it. So yeah, I got the chicken cut up, but also this is what the kit comes with. It comes with a medium creamy jalapeno sauce, the mild asada seasoning mix, and 12 street taco flour tortillas. Again, this is the Old El Paso Asada Chicken Street Taco Kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our peppers rocking and rolling and set them aside once they're done. Then we'll go ahead and get this going and continue the process. Alright guys, now that the onions and peppers are soft, it says go ahead and put in the chicken. And we add the seasoning as well. It did not call for any water. It said that it will be charred. Now, like I said, I'm doing this kind of a fajita style. Then I have some Zatarans. What is it? Zatarans, Spanish rice in the box. But we're going to have with it. So we're just going to go ahead, get everybody incorporated. There will be some liquid, they said, as it cooks down, so. Alright. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, let's let this cook down some, and I'll be back. And there you have it. Here is the final product, you guys. Got cheese, that guacamole, nope, that jalapeno, mild salsa, creamy jalapeno sauce, and then also too, the Zatarans Spanish rice. Let me grab the perfect thumbnail. I think we'll just go like this. That's how I think. Or maybe we'll do, I have my niece over here. So let's see what we can do. There we go. That'll be it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, you guys. Until next video, take care, stay blessed, stay safe, and have a wonderful, fabulous day. Bye, y'all.